Hello viewer, this side is Muhammad Kaif. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you a short programming in QBasic. So I am going to open our DOS for the coding. Now I am trying to open our QBasic program. Simply type mount c space c clone /qb qb45. My QBasic version is qb45. Simply press enter button, then tap C clone, enter. I think something gone wrong with it. Let me try again. Mount space C space C clone /qb45. Yeah, drive C is mounted as local directory. I think it is correct way. Now C clone, enter. Now tap QB, hit the enter button. Now our QBasic program is open. Please, first of all, we need to remove the greeting message of this QBasic. Simple press skip button from the keyboard. As you are showing, my QBasic program is opened. In this programming, I will take two numbers from user. The result will become sum the given two number which is given by user. So let's start. First of all, we need to tap CLS statement. It means we are going to delete the previous code. Then I want to print a message. Please enter first number, double quote, close, hit the enter button. Now take a input variable. Variable name is, I am naming it A. Now again I want to print a message. Comma, please enter number, close the variable C is equal A input. Again take a input B. Now take another variable C is equal A plus B, hit the enter button. Now I want to print the result. Print addition. Your son is clone semicolon. The value will become of C addition. Now I am going to close our program with end statement. Now I am going to run the program. Let's tap the F5 button from the keyboard. Oh, the message is displaying, please enter first number. I am giving it another number and I am giving 8. Your addition is 6. That is correct.